This is Lone Wolf Outdoors. I'm gonna do an unboxing. I picked me up a ULTERRA trolling motor with iPilot link and a built-in mega down imaging. And I'm going to unboxing here, see what's in it, and let y'all see what's in it in case y'all want one yourself. It took me forever to get me one of these, so let me start unboxing it. Alright, I got it open here. Wires. Here's the battery cable. This must be Ethernet cord. Hooks up to your Hummingbird or Solex or something like that. I'll have to get an adapter for that, I think. Pretty sure I do. Here's your prop. Here's something. I'll tear into that later. Here is your foot pedal. It's a huge foot pedal. A monster. I'm gonna have to do some reading up on this. See how to put it on. It comes with this heading sensor. I think this is for the jog feature on the ULTERRA. I'm not sure. Come with this. Here's your bag of stuff here. Bolts. A lanyard for a remote. And instructions. Here's a remote. They're here. But I ended up getting it. I've been wanting one for a long time. Now I just got to figure out how to hook it together. So I will try to, I'm going to put it on my Tracker Pro 175. It's a 17.5 foot. I got a power drive right now, 55 pound. And it does okay. I've had it on there. And I put a iPilot head unit on it for spot lock and stuff like that. So once I get everything figured out, which batteries to get, lithium or just regular lead batteries, what wires to get, I'll probably do an install video if anybody wants to watch. But I'm pretty excited about it. I like to do it. I got this off chattyboy.com. They're real handy. Talk you through a lot of stuff. I'll probably be calling them before long. See what I need. Adapters. So I hope you enjoy this unboxing, and stay tuned for install. I can't wait to get on the water with it. Thank you.